Seattle police are back. It's going down today. It's going down right now. Good morning. Yeah, so they are back today, July 1st. I heard that they might be coming back soon. Very recently they started removing the barricades, some of the barricades, and I guess July 1st was going to be the day. There's a crowd gathered at the corner of 12th and Pike there, and you can hear the helicopter. You can see the helicopter there. Wow. Right, I'm at the corner of 12th and Pike, and the police station is on the corner of 12th and Pine, which is 1 block north of here, 1 block north and across the street. I heard that they've been clearing the encampment at Cal Anderson Park. Cal Anderson Park is a couple of blocks that way there.
You weren't seeing anybody out there.
You wouldn't want to think so.
Every night it's out here.
I think I met like 2 people.
You want to grab some of those poles and start jousting?
You joust the cars, bro.
This is the scene here. This morning on July 1st.
That's the real oppressor there, right there. Standing away.
He's not doing anything. You get away from the
That's the real oppressor. That's the
Oh, you guys have sticks. Why can't we have sticks?
Look at those white people frolicking in my land. Being protected by fucked up cops.
Oh, you guys have
You are Nazi ruler? Are you the Nazi ruler? You hear me green? You hear me blue?
What? Speak up.
You just gotta ask them what side they're on.
So where are you guys taking us? Yeah, see, you don't even know where to go. Where's it going?
I'm sorry, I'm too close to your line.
You know why? Because he's getting paid. He's getting money for staying here. We are not getting paid for staying here. We are here because we are here. We believe in something. And you know what? That belief is worth more than getting paid. It's worth more than getting a fucking dollar.
Hey, do you know if we're able to access the police department?
I don't think we are at the moment.
They totally blocked this off, right?
Oh yeah, here, that street up there, and that street down there, and on all the streets around too.
Wow, okay.
This morning, I woke up to watching.
All the tactics, you have all the vibes, shit. We will still be here. We will
Nobody with masks on.
We will still be here.
Absolutely not, ma'am. I went to sleep around 2:30 last night, afraid, because I didn't want to hear no more shooting, and I damn sure don't want to have no more babies dying on this one. Right
You did, and what was it? You should be the spokesperson. Let all these people. You feel so
You can see the helicopter up there. Might be the news channel, or
You don't even know. Period. So that's not
might be the police. I can't tell.
You paid to be here.
Alright, it looks like more people are starting to show up here. It's pretty early in the morning. I'm gonna walk around this block here. So I heard that the police showed up pretty early. They showed up at like 5 a.m. to clear out the camp, the encampment, and the tents at Cal Henderson Park. And I'm sort of walking towards the park right now. And no shit, Sherlock, it is raining right now, so my screen probably has rain on it. And there's the 11th and Pike. Oh yeah, they got the full team out here today. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get close to the police station. So straight ahead there you can see Cal Henderson Park, a block north of here. I'm at the corner of 10th and Pike. I just walked a couple of blocks from over there. The police station's back there. Here's a look at some of the graffiti. It's cold. It's a little cold today. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around to the other side. Here's what Capitol Hill looks like today. totally blocked off by police. There's Cal Anderson Park there, Jimi Hendrix statue across the street, and that's Seattle Central College there. I'm gonna go ahead and cross the street here. And there's a Jimi Hendrix statue. Yeah, so that's totally blocked off. West entrance to CHAZ. Gonna keep walking to see what it's looking like at the park at Cal Anderson Park, if I can even take a peek into the park from here. So here's one way to get to Cal Anderson Park. I've not accessed the park from this entrance in a long time. Certainly not during the protests. And this is what it looks like here. Oh. Is the park totally closed off?
Yeah. Yes, sir. The next 48 hours.
48 hours. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yep, thank you. All right. Park is closed for the next 48 hours. So there will be no footage of Cal Anderson Park. At least not from close up. I'm gonna keep walking northbound a little bit. Let's see what I find up there. I'm walking northbound on Broadway. I'm at Howell and Broadway. And there's the park. I'm at the corner of Broadway and Barbara Bailey. Dick's drive-thru is right there. Burger place, and I'm gonna swing it right here because this is gonna take me to the north entrance to the park. Let's go ahead and walk around this park, see what's happening. And I'm gonna block this off too. Oh. No access to the park. Alright, so I'm at the north entrance of the park right now. And it looks like many of the tents have been moved from what I'm seeing. Yeah. Many of the tents have been moved and dismantled. There's a garden or a farm right there. And yeah. Keep walking. Here's what the action's like here on the northeast corner of the park. 11th and Denny.
You a threat. You're not do no more of a. They can't work with you. They see wealthy. They want to go home. You want to go home at night. What we got here in Seattle is special. We wouldn't have last one day. One day. In Washington, D.C. We ready to federal troops, state patrol, everything. So what we did in Seattle is special. Right now, we're doing great. We're good. But I ain't been to work in 24 days.
Close? Can't go through?
Physically.
All right, I'm approaching 12th and Olive, and the entire block is blocked off. The police station is 1 block south of here, and yeah, you can't get closer than a block of the police station currently. Down that way to the right is Cal Anderson Park, and I'm gonna mosey on down to the park to see what it looks like. From this view of the park, you'll be able to see where many of the tents are, or were. I don't know if there's still a lot of tents there. I do see a dump truck there. I think that's a dump truck. And let's see, yeah. I do see some tents. So you can see all the tents and such there. And there's a lot of garbage. That's a no shit Sherlock thing to say, but yeah, there's a lot of garbage that will need to be cleared away. Alright, since they're closed, I'm gonna mosey on up to 12th again. Straight ahead there is a police station.